This is a demonstration of the procedure to fold the national flag of Canada, performed by a party of 9 people. Preparation. 8 people are evenly spaced on either side of the flag. The flag party commander, or bearer party commander in the case of a funeral, is positioned at the head of the party at all times and gives the instructions. If the flag is draping a casket, it should always be placed so that the top of the maple leaf points to the right, when observing from the foot of the casket. Note that steps 1 and 2 of this demonstration only apply if the flag is draping a casket. Steps 3 and onward are standard and apply in all circumstances. Step 1. If applicable, all symbolic items such as medals or wreaths should be removed from the casket prior to the flag folding commencement. This should be done by the people positioned at the bottom of the flag. Bearer party. Prepare to undress the casket. Undress the casket. The items are passed to the bearer party commander, who in turn hands them off. Step 2. If a retaining band is used to hold the flag in position, it should be removed next. Prepare the band. All 8 people bend inwards and grasp the band, their palms facing upwards. Band. The band is brought up to the center of the casket. The folding of the band is done by the people positioned at the bottom of the flag. They fold the band hand over hand to the bearer party commander, who in turn hands it off. Step 3. Starting here, the steps are standard and apply to all flag folding exercises. Prepare the flag. All 8 people bend inwards and grasp the flag. The people positioned at the 4 corners grasp the corners with their outside hand. Flag. All 8 people step back 1 pace, so the flag is held completely taut, approximately at the center of their chests. Step 4. Prepare to fold. The 2 people positioned at the bottom corners of the flag slide their inside hands towards their outside hands and take a step around the corners of the flag. They slide their outside hands to grasp the midpoint of the flag. Fold. The people positioned at the bottom of the flag fold the flag underneath, while the 2 people with their outside hands at the midpoint of the flag maintain a crease along the length of the flag. The people positioned at the top of the flag receive the bottom edge and bring the 2 edges together. Note that at all times during the exercise, the party can ensure that all creases and wrinkles are smoothed out. Step 5. Prepare to fold. Once again, the 2 people positioned at the bottom corners of the flag slide their outside hands to grasp the midpoint of the flag. Fold. The party commander takes hold of the flag. Step 6. Prepare to fold. Fold. People 7 and 8 hand their end of the flag to people 5 and 6. People 7 and 8 release the flag with their outside hands. Step 7. Prepare to fold. Fold. People 7 and 8 release the flag while people 5 and 6 pass their section of the flag to people 1 and 2. Step 8. Prepare to fold. Fold. People 1 and 2 pass the end of the flag to the party commander as people 5 and 6 keep the flag taut. People 5 and 6 release the flag. Step 9. Prepare to fold. Fold. People 3 and 4 pass the end of the flag to people 1 and 2, who fold the flag down flat. People 3 and 4 release the flag. Step 10. Prepare to fold. The party commander firmly pinches the center of the flag. Fold. People 1 and 2 fold the flag under. Step 11. Prepare to fold. The party commander firmly pinches the center of the flag. Fold. People 1 and 2 fold the flag over. Step 12. The party commander places both hands under the flag, palms up. Release. People 1 and 2 release the flag. This is what the flag should look like once folded.